And as you kept me out, I wouldn't let you go. I rushed to your defense, though nothing made much sense. So much I didn't know. But I can't face my life without you. And now I know the whole truth. The demon that's
Hello traders, welcome to episode 249 of TA with me, Mitch Ray. Could be doing anything, but you're here on this Tuesday night and soon to be Wednesday, so it's always good, right? Hump day is upon us. Bitcoin, since the day stream, as you guessed, nothing's really changed, right? We're kind of range bound between that 3,300 to 3,350 range, right? So what was discussed in the day stream, I guess the most important thing to take from what's happening right now, the contradicting variables kind of suck. But, look, man, you made a low. You've, in fact, made a lower low. And when you made that lower low, this is the negative momentum you were given. All right. So we've since then broke the upside, but the break of the upside was so pathetic. We bearishly, it was a bearish Rami. And then we've sold off and go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we broke out. We broke out of the channel, formed a morning star, but unfortunately, we very well might be anchor point 1, 2, and 3. We might be breaking out, break, hook, and we did not go. That's good. We did not bearishly engulf. We rejected some sort of bearish, go. It would be the engulfing candle, right? Break, couldn't go. We talk about it all the time. Mattia, man, congratulations. Congratulations. Holy crap, man. Got someone in Discord posting in general that, what is it, man? Doppler radar, but for babies. Sonogram or something, right? Congratulations, Mattia, man. All the best to you and yours. All right. So yeah, we're just waiting to see what's to come from this breakout, this move out of the channel that was being respected. We know it was respected because look up here, man. We could not break or sustain prices above this upsloping trend line. Crazy enough, we used the downsloping trend line's heart line as resistance. This heart line that's been so freaking well respected. We're talking about anchor point 1 and 2 on the bottom, 3 and 4 on the top, whatever. Heart line support, resistance, support, and now resistance, man. Right, so you can't tell me this channel is not being interpreted by the market, okay? Because it definitely is. Right, so if that's the case, if that is the most respected channel that we're seeing, this might not matter. We might break down one more time, bounce off that 3,000, 3,050 area. Okay, there's always a possibility. No surprise if that happens. Okay, though you're showing the bullish divergence, whatever. Look, you're kind of pretty much double bottoming here. We made a technical higher low, so it's really a form of bullish convergence, but low on price, pretty much the exact same low, just like $10, $20 higher. Boom. Right, almost inexistent negative momentum. Same thing on the RSI. Low on price, about the exact same low on price. Higher levels of relative strength. Great. And of course, we talked about the daily bullish divergence too. So you got on both the daily and 4 hour impending price action versus the upside, but the market is extremely bearish. All right, and we could break down one more time before rallying again. Okay. Because guess what, man? Even if you break down to 3240, you know what's going to happen, right? You're still going to have extremely nice levels of bullish divergence on both time scales, right? That's not going to change. So do not think that I'm saying that we're going up right now, man. We do have the possibility of breaking down before we break the upside again, okay? For sure. Based on what we're seeing on daily and 4 hour time scales. What's up, Mr. Chef, man? Thanks for the 100 bits, dude. Much love, man. Much freaking love. See you, man. Oh my god, the Dow and Nasdaq futures are up, MK. Sweet, man. Oh, Mateo, is that you, Matt, man? Congrats, dude. Let's take a look at some chat, alright? Since we got through the Bitcoin analysis, well, it's not letting me. There we go. Hello? What's it doing, dude? Is it really not going to let me grab this? Oh, god, here we go. A bunch of noises. Maybe not. Thank god it didn't happen. Whew. I'm about to get a bunch of notifications. I have to figure out how to get rid of that. Alright, so what's up, Aaron M? Logo is free. Ryler. Hey, y'all are enjoying this live stream. Y'all enjoy me going live every night. Hit the like button, that build us up. We really help a lot. Okay, get 100 likes. Throw the fireworks up. Be gangs. Riley, I hope you're doing well. Princess Riley. Hello. Princess Riley, someone asked about us today if we were dating yet. Did you know that? What's up, Zed Zerps, Atlanta Cap, HB. That's you, Just. Do you live alone? Yeah, man. I live alone. In the huge house. Yeah. What's up, JD? Bought at the bottom years ago, and it has since exploded in value. What's up, XRP Roshi, man? Miss Kanatomo. Hey, what's up, Adam, dude? Little quiet today at work. What? Little quiet today? I don't understand, Driz, man. Is this English, man? What's up, Mr. Schaffer? Again, I see you now, but thanks for the bids, man. I said hi to you first, I guess, right? Oh, yeah, y'all check out. I did, there's this new thing you can do on YouTube. You can do stories like Snapchat. I'm just going to start doing stories now. Like just random IRL stories from my phone. It's so easy to do, and it gives it a little bit more personal touch to what I do, right? So we're gonna have fun with that. Kang mode, Mr. Cantomo, always Kang mode, dude. What's up, Herbert? Naperbot says Bitcoin to 4K first, or my sub count to 4K first. I don't know, man. Dude, they both been scrubby lately, right? So the song is extraordinarily bad. They said link cap. Yeah, man. Can't really, I mean, it's like if the song starts playing, it plays, man. Greenville? What's happening, man?
Is the real city. That Greenville call from Mr. Do not drink from the crystal until we win the next 2 tied Alabama Slamma. 8,888 9,888 octillion 888 septillion 888 sextillion 888 quintillion 888 quadrillion 888 trillion 888 billion 888 million 888,888 just paid for 13 more days. Christmas Eve.
Paid for 13 more days. Xmas Eve. Well, looks like I owe the Fisher Foundation because my Heisman winner lost, so I'll be paying that forward. I'll let y'all know when it happens. Forgot. Can't remember who it was I placed that bet with. But man, at least he has to pay too, because we both lost, because Haskins did not win. Alright. Is the real city that Greenbow represents? What? Is it? I thought Greenbow was real. Is it not? Crap, man. I just took their word for it. What's up, MK, man? Let's play some cheese challenge with cheese wheels. Pair specs. Awesome. Okay, Luke Jones says great song. So then we suck. Everyone's, you see what I'm saying? You can't, as a streamer, you cannot make everyone happy. All right. Someone will complain about the snow. They will complain about the lights, the Christmas tree, the everything. Literally everything will be complained about at one point or another by one viewer or another. Okay. Just understand that. Put yourself in my shoes. I can't win. Oh, what's up, Probes, man? Good to see you, dude. Llewellyn. Malumbo. Dude, you know your name has Lambo in it, right? It's pretty, crypto. That's your real name, man. It looks like your forefathers were into crypto as well. So, more power. So about Chris K9. Johnny Boy Crypto. See, people like the song. Some people hate it, some love it. All right. Read the TA Bible. For sure, everyone sees some Neo to BTC, man. Is that what you want, dude? Are you sure you want that, dude? Because it's pretty depressing, but if you want, man, sure. Neo on the list, okay. Done. What's up, Matt, man? Iceberg. Wow. Decent amount of chat. Dakota, this isn't really a free fall, though. Okay, this is a sell. This was the free fall. nothing mattered here. The free fall is stalling just a little bit, right? The legs down are not near as crazy as they were. All right. So sure, again, we could sell off one more time, come down these levels, and it could take a few weeks. But make no mistake, at some point we will retrace. And we're not looking for the pop to the upside, oh my god. We're just looking for the common retrace for the Fibonacci. Okay, that's it, man. People keep getting misconception that I'm trying to look for some sort of trend reversal. I'm not looking for that. I'm looking for a common retrace. That's it. Bear Flag channel, what you talking about, MK man? Falling out of the channel? Oh yeah, we're falling out of this channel. Sucks, man. Bear Flag, yeah. Falling out. That's why we're saying we would not be surprised. We were looking for a break and go. It just didn't happen. It seems the past 4 hours. It just closed 30 minutes ago. All right, we could see 3,200, 3,400 again. Or excuse me, 3,250, and we could clearly see at some point 3,000 if we wanted. Not surprising. There you go, Phoenix in the Flames.
Sorry I have been absent lately, super busy. Still love the Ray family, man.
Oh, we love you too, Madman. Thanks for the 555 Bitcoin. Very appreciated, dude. It's awesome, dude. Hope you're having a good one, man. And means a lot. Thanks. What's up about DJ Joe Public? 33 people away from 1,000 members in our Discord. Yes, man. So when we get that, it's gonna be party time. I might just do wizard. I might just put on my wizard hat when that happens. Bradford, man. Okay. 33. That's like nothing, dude. We could get that real quick. So about Keith Currency Committee. Good to see you, man. The coffee video is making you thirsty, Nick Welch, man. Well, hopefully you enjoyed it at least, alright? Didn't mean to make you feel bad. Or thirsty. Are we in a falling wedge on the 4-hour Bitcoin? Neighbor bot. Yeah, I know you were looking at someone's... You're probably just like, is this it, man? Is this the falling wedge, man? Is this the falling wedge, man? I mean, I feel like there might be some downswing resistance. I think we already broke the downswing resistance, right? I think Larley had a channel like that. And we're just floating along on the breakout of the channel or whatever. But to say that we broke a wedge, I don't think so. There's way... Look, the white space here is insane, man. Okay. You can't have... I'm sorry. You just can't have this much white space, dude. It's just too much, man. Too much. Makes it completely arbitrary. Anyway, but yeah, there was some sort of resistance, right? Like anchor point 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, and we broke it on no volume, and then we just since bounced off. Whatever. Okay, cool. Not really doing anything though, so it's just low volume chop crap, man. Okay. Ultrasound, there we go. What is that, the video game, man? You'll find out the gender of the baby in 8 weeks. Heck yeah, man. Let us know what it is, okay? What's up, McPants, Anonymous? Welcome, dude. Holy crap, man. I missed some chat, dude. Okay, alright, you're Mateo. Excellent, man. Excellent. Just was making sure. You like the coffee video, Mr. Damon, man? Just it's a new spin on things, right? It's a first time ever video that I've never done anything like that before, right? Every video you've ever seen of me, including other platforms where I streamed, never did anything like that. Okay, well, I never even had the power over there to do that, but hey, here, yeah, it's nice. Crypto Casualty, thanks, man, for the like and sub. Really appreciate that. We'll play some Jesus chants for you. Since you didn't get the notification. All right, thanks, dude. You heard I said you're my girlfriend. Prince Rally, I don't think I said that. But the heck? What are you doing to me? You like the light flurries, Zatchard, man? Well, Mr. Shaver, man, we got the clip coming out for patrons for the Fibonacci video we did, or you know, that segment we did last night. So Kind of went all out, left it all on the field last night. Okay, so you're back in the club. Exist and chill. That's it, man. Exist and chill. Crypto update, hello. Oh my god, so much chat. Sorry, I'm trying to get through it all. It's true, Malambo. It's true. So, timely UL. Coven handle TA. You want some Coven handle TA, man? Love you too, Nippon Cowboy man. Coming in from Japan. Dude, it's rhymed. It was awesome. Do I live close to Greenville? No, John Lara. I do not. Not even close. Not even close. I will be going through Greenville or around Greenville on Friday, unfortunately. No Lambo yet, but maybe a Tesla. There you go. Smitty, man. I'm not going to say your last name because it's a recipe for disaster. Okay. Uh-oh. Too easy, right? Too easy. Gonna do TA. I don't really do 15-minute TA at Salva. I just not what I do. Whoa, 100 likes. Are you kidding me, dude? Really? Dude, y'all are fantastic. Freaking love y'all. Wow, that was fast. It was like, dude, that was like 20 minutes in, maybe? Max? Holy crap. Whew. Sorry, almost done. What's up, Rami? For the record, Your Honor, Lord Ray did not use the term girlfriend. Thank you. Thank you. I did not. I cannot be burned to the stake for that. Okay. Whew. Respect the TA. Exactly, John. What's up, Bones 420? Hope you and Melissa are doing quite well. Y'all are amazing. Okay. This is going to be a crazy bowl game. Who are y'all playing again? I remember looking at the matchup, thinking about y'all. I just can't remember. It was going to be good. It's an SEC team, isn't it? Who y'all are playing? What are you? Oh, okay, never mind. Alright, so let's move on to Ripple. That hasn't done anything. Well, it's done exactly what Bitcoin's done. Oh my god, man. Oh my god. Okay, so down sloping channel. Down sloping channel. We 1, 2 anchor points. Now we have 3 anchor points, whatever. But really it was anchor point 1 and 2, and then we just did 1 anchor point up here. That's really how we did it. So, just interesting how we've respected that so well on the top side. And we just, nothing, right? You have, look, impulse down, retrace, break down, lower lows, impulse up.
Spank those naughty likes, you sexy people.
Hey, Matt, man, thanks for the 520 of Bitcoin. Much love, dude. Really do appreciate that. Thank you, man. Dude, that's awesome, man. Thank you. Mattia, man. Can I call you Mattia, man? I like that name. It's different. Right. Problem with the Ripple, though. We are below and failing to sustain prices above that 20 MA. Below the 20, below the 50. That's what happens when you're downtrend, right? Downtrend 4 hour, you're going to stay below your 20 and 50 simple moving average. You're just going to never be able to really break them. And when you do, you don't sustain prices above them at all. Like, sure, you can break above the 20, but then you got the 50 right behind it. And the 50 is like the last line of defense for that trend. You know, you can break it, but a lot of times you just don't sustain prices above it for very long. And then you dump. Okay. Just like here, right? On the way down, we just... couldn't. We stayed above the... We got above the 20 and the 50, right? But then look, the lower high than the previous high, and then we tanked. We ran up. We couldn't sustain prices. Look, we fell below the 20, 50, 200. Ran up again. Now we're, okay, we're making progress, man. Just another lower high than your previous high. Dumped. And look, continuously just using that 20 as resistance. Staying below the 20 and the 50. The 20 is resistance. Man, I can't clear my throat, dude. Then we finally broke the 20, but what did we do? We ran up and we hit the 50. That's in between the equilibrium level, between that 20 and 50 MA in a downtrend, right? We broke it, but not for long with the double top, and then dumped. Came back up, used them as a resistance. Resistance, holy crap, resistance, dumped. Okay. Look what we're doing. Resistance within the equilibrium zone. Now we're using the 20 as resistance again. Probably going to dump again. I mean, that's just what the MAs are just like. Terrible. You break 28 cents, very real possibility. 25 cents could be in the cards. There's just not much support down here. I'm telling you, you are like, right now, you're like 6 cents off 52-week lows. Terrible. Terrible. Okay. What's up, Mitch Gray coming in from Straya, dude? My doppelganger from the other side of the world. You can think of worse things than calling Princess Riley my girlfriend. Don't throw rocks at the old house. All right, John, I won't, man. True that. Wait, fireworks are already going, aren't they? Or was I wrong? Crap, man. I accidentally prematurely threw the fireworks up. Look, when people start screaming fireworks, I believe you. Okay, I take your word at it. So if we don't have fireworks up, just, you know, don't say fireworks, I guess. Unless you're saying, let's get them. If you remember the .com crazy. What? Mississippi State? Yeah, there you go. That'd be a good game, Dan, man. That'd be nuts. Holy crap. Where's the whale squad coming through with that Santa rally pump? Sorry, man. Sorry, man. The cavalry may not come. All right. Okay. Here's our downtrend, right? Our channel, right? Anchor point 1, 2, 3. Anchor point 1 on the bottom, 2 on the bottom. Nice heartline respect. Okay, but need to take from this is we finally had this nasty impulse down. Hit the lowest low of the year, $81. We since bounced, higher low, technically a higher high. But
Have some more corns of the bit variety.
corns. Corns.
Marijuana's bad.
Thanks so much, Madman. The 20 and change of Bitcoins. Bring love you, man. Mateo, thank you so much, dude. Let's get lit, dude. Let's get lit. All right. Hey, now we can do the fireworks. We got over 100. Thank y'all. Amazing. We just have a man. Whoop. Thanks for that 100 biddies, man. Much freaking love. Holy crap. That's crazy, man. Streamlabs getting some work in tonight. It's normally Stream Elements that does all the heavy lifting. Now Streamlabs, Kangs. Awesome, man. All right, so if we dump, we have to, like, we've been realistic about Ethereum. Ethereum's one of the scariest ones, I think, still. All right, because there's nothing here. Okay, you're in outer space. You got some fib extensions we could do at this point. All right, so we're making a retrace. Hey, man, we retraced 38% of the way from the high to low. 38% retrace, and now we're selling off, right? So what would happen? All right, worst case scenario, if we started breaking out, we broke $81, right? $80, right? We would then get our fibs out, get your weapon out, fib from the low to high. There you go. There are your targets for the short term, all right? 76.34, 73.87, and $70.34. But we know those are really weak because if we look left, man. Excuse me, man. Okay, I guess we're going there. There we go. If we look left, nothing here, dude. Nothing. All right. Hey, fib extensions might be okay because the 1272 is touching some sort of stupid scrubby May 9th, 2017 low. That's it. That's all you got. You're holding on by a thread right now in Ethereum. Okay. Move down could be very bad. Oh, thanks for the 100 bits, man. Miss Jeff, man. Much love, dude. Love the lights moving and all that. I gotta figure out, I'm thinking about maybe making stream elements tie up to my lights. That would be crazy, man. Okay, I think I should do that. I don't think you can do. I don't think you can have both at the same time, but you might be able to. See if I can set that up. Gotta talk to support of this app. Robin, what are you saying, man? He's saying in reference to Princess Riley, I think you don't need to wait on Mitch to proclaim you as his girlfriend. You can take action on your own and take the lead. Just say it. Princess Riley, is that true? Hey, Big Booster, thanks for the 1.35325% of 1 XRP. Thanks. Thanks, man. Much love. All in on the Hawaii Rainbows. They're the Rainbow Warriors, man. Rainbow Warriors. The Hawaii Bowl, man. Are we going to the Hawaii Bowl, man, with Mr. Sabine? I think he wants to, but I think he has a bigger game on his hands. What did Jeff say? What did Probes say? Stick around and watch. Lots of things you can learn. There you go. Oh, okay, with somebody. Uh-oh. I don't know. Anyway. Get wrecked. Get wrecked. Bitcoin naive with a Y, Matt. With a Y. Do you think Mississippi State will beat Iowa? It should be a fun game to watch. Oh yeah, man, all the bowl games are gonna be awesome. I'm really disappointed in the Ohio State Washington game. I don't know, man. There's something about it's like, blech. I would have liked to see Central Florida play Ohio State. That'd have been fun to watch. Wait, who's UCF actually playing though? Central Florida. As long as a longtime beer drinker, a friend's girlfriend recently put you on White Claws. As a grown man, you don't even care?
Ka.
Kappa. The explosions, man. All the biddies in the jar, man. Thanks so much for the 1,050 bits, man. Much love. It's crazy to believe, man. 50 biddies like that, man. Fuff fuff. Fuff luff. Oh my god, man. I love that noise, man. Okay. What are bits? Bits are Twitch. Twitch things. They're like tips, but they're on the Twitch platform. And you can mess with the lights. You see. You get it, man. What's up, Cart Gang? Love you too, dude. Yeah, waiting's pretty decent. Cart King. There's a lot of uncertainty right now. Market's extremely bearish. Okay, and 3,000 does seem like it could happen, even with the bullish signs. Yeah. 3250 also seems like a possibility, especially us breaking out of that little channel we've been in. But if you're looking at you don't want to buy into Ethereum, man. You don't want to buy into Ethereum. Why not, man? There's only a huge cliff. You're right near a huge cliff. Okay, you could just drop off at any time. Man, $55, man. Yeah. How amazing that would be if we dropped right there. Okay, it could happen at some point in the very near future. Miss Jeff, man, thanks to the 100 biddies, man. All the explosions, the kappas and triangles. Whoa, Illuminati. Okay, so impulse down, upsloping consolidation. Most of the time, that's just bearish behavior. Okay, unable to really threaten our previous highs up here. We know we retraced 38% of the way right here. That's it, man. That's it. Bitcoin dumps. See Ethereum. You're gonna dump too. Probably even harder. Anyway, but hey, man, bullish convergence either way. Low on price, higher low. Lower levels of negative momentum, that's good, and the relative strength's higher, so whatever. Alright. Let's look at the dumpster fire, Neo from Mr. Shaffer. Oh, by the way, cheers, because of the bits, right? Okay, man. Neo to BTC at the 1618. 1681 is what we bounced off of. Also bounced off the heart line of the downsloping channel. Anchor point 1 and 2, and then 3 on the bottom. We bounced here, here, and now here. Okay. What's happening? You do have bullish divergence. Yes. Bullish divergence. Sweet. And not so much on the MACD at all. Right. No, not at all. Sorry. So, let's look left, right? Don't think we got much going left. Yeah, man, you're right there. Here we are, man. This goes back to July 2017. I'm sure there's probably some more data, but look, the December of 2017 price, we're below it now. Very, very scary, very bad. All right. You see how miserable Neo to BTC has been all year. Please tell me you aren't long on Neo, because if you are, you're probably very, very sad. Okay. Sorry, Michelle, man. It's just bad. It's like really bad here at the 1618. Can't hold that. Very good possibility you could be coming down to 608 sats. Another area we could drop to probably down to 1,000 sats, 950, whatever, right around the bottom of the channel. This thing is a dumpster fire, a technical dumpster fire. I think I'm going to start layering into Neo at like $175 because this is kind of a round number. It seems like a good area. This is when Neo was at $189, $90. Great FOMO, people are such scrubs. Alright, so, alright, man, the divergence is there. We can go to the daily, I guess, whatever. Any divergence? Yeah, hey, man, hey. You got some divergence on the daily as well. Low in price, low in price, higher levels of relative strength. And same thing here, man. Same thing on the daily. Look at this. Can't hit one negative histogram, but very rare. But hey, there it is. Bullish divergence. Dang, dude. Dang. And at the 1618, see if we can pop, but it's probably going to be a lower high than your previous high. This thing has just gotten destroyed. All in on the rainbows. All right, dude. All in. Do we talk Litecoin targets? No, but we can. We can talk about what would happen if we broke critical supports on Litecoin. Sure, man. Oh, I love Urban Meyer, dude. Yeah, totally, man. I have a big painting of him in my living room, dude. Yeah, Princess Riley, what's your favorite type of pizza? You see us playing LSU? That's right, Greg. That's right. My dad doesn't think LSU is going to be able to win. You feel like there is something we are telling y'all? Yeah, we are telling you something, Rob. We are. Read your sentence, man. We are telling you stuff. Did I check my Gmail account? Oh, yeah, you sent the Germans. I did. I never had a chance to implement that. Because I was listening to it on mobile, but I never got back to it on my desktop. I will get that implemented into Stream Elements tonight. Much love, man. You get X. What happened, Miss Sheverman? The classic Belushi coach. Ugh. St. Thomas Aquinas. Heck yeah, man. Ohio State sucks, says Ben. Ben's 420, man. Dan. Holy crap. Colvin, man. You should have been with us when we got in on Ethereum. Ethereum was amazing. The slanted head and shoulders pattern, little did we know, it was beginning. It was the beginning, and it was amazing. So about Crypto Red Eye, it's been amazing. It's been the journey. Ethereum's been the shorting journey. So awesome.
Is that a joint?
You the man.
Hey Rami, thanks so much for the 420 contribution to Disma. Thanks, man. Much freaking love you. Really appreciate that. KJ, glad you liked it, man. Glad you liked it, dude. Crap, man. Love chat. Chat, y'all are lit tonight. Should have done LSU A&M part 2. Oh my god, dude. How many overtimes can we get? Forget it, he's on a roll. I don't know about 0, dude. Zero, right? Hey, let's just be real here. If Bitcoin goes to $1, it still serves the same purpose it did at 20,000, 19.9. Okay? The same one. What's up, Messiah? Your first Discord join? Well, thanks so much for joining. Welcome. You want to see Discord? Look at this right here. Hold on, why is that off? So weird how it bugs like that. Alright, so here's Discord. Alright. How many more do we need until I don't know if I want to do that. How many more we need? Until 1,000. I'll wear a Viking hat if we get 1,000 members on Discord, okay? By the end of the stream. Can we do it? Can we? Will we? I just don't know. Alright. Here's Matteo. Big shout out to Matteo. The ultrasound or the Doppler radar. Get wrecked. So you can notice the hook action, the signature of a tornado. Alright. Yeah, I'm serious, man. Serious. Signature hooks if you want to learn how to read tornadoes on a Doppler radar. Let's look for it real quick. Here's a here's a great way so you can tell the hook. Now let's go. The browser. This is what it looks like. You got that rotation, the signature hook of your tornadoes, okay? Very scary. Very, very scary. This is definitely F4, F5 stuff, right? So, that helicity, man. Good God, that's the debris you normally get. Okay, it's like a debris field. Very scary stuff, man. So, know your... Holy crap, man. Look, dude. Dude, this is Jefferson. This is Birmingham. Holy crap, man. Fayette. This is like Alabama. Holy crap. Let's look this up. Tornado education. The first Google search, and it's like this is in Bama, man. Alright. Sweet, man. How do you Bitcoin, Steve? You just do. You just does. Okay, man? Fetus TA nice. Zedserps. It's baby man. That hook action. It's alien head, man. Mateo man. Holy crap. What's due to the Chinese government? Be wary of any company located in the Cayman Islands. Definition of shady operations. What is it? Evading tax. Asian. Burgers games. Okay, sweet. So be careful out there. Know your radar. Know it well, friends. Probes, let me know if you learned. You have to deal with them all the time out in California, but sometimes in Texas, you might need to know. I beat you putting the Christmas lights up, Mad Carl, man. Get wrecked. Get wrecked, man. Can we fib the sonogram? I don't think we can fib on that. On the actual Discord thing. I don't think I can fib anything besides this thing. Okay, so. Alright. Well, let's move on to Litecoin. Litecoin, whatever. Maybe we looked at it in the day stream or something. Can't remember. Dude, what a dumpster fire. What a dumpster fire. First off, let's look left at all our supports. We all look. Litecoin's actually ahead of Ethereum. This move up, right? Ethereum has not yet made its move down yet. Litecoin did. Okay, it's finally down, I think. You got some more support, but maybe not, right? You still got very weak support here from here to here, from 15, 16 to 23 bucks. You break that, you're not gonna have really anything, right? Kind of straight line up. I'm about to sneeze, man. Bad. What crap?
Is that a joint?
Anonymous, is that a joint? Thanks so much, Dan and Melissa, the Jesus Peoples. Thank y'all so much, seriously. Y'all are fantastic. Love the support y'all show. It's truly humbling, and I'm very grateful. Freaking love y'all, seriously. And I'm definitely gonna have to go for the Hawkeyes over the Bulldogs, man. All right, Bo. Hey, we softened them up for you in the regular season. How about that, Dan? Man, just saying. Holy crap. Uh-oh, Robin's asking, Princess Rally, how do you feel about cabins? Holy crap, man. Wonderful. All right, so remember, if you can't hold this, where we're at now, 24 bucks, you're going to have a weak, scrubby support at 20 bucks. Maybe that's just a rounded support. Can't hold that, dude. $15, $16, $15 to $50. $15.50 is like your next support, and it's not strong. Your next support after that is going to be like 12 bucks. After that, it's like $6. Okay. So that's it, man. But to zoom in, see what we're looking at. Gotta love that ascending broadening wedge, was so beautiful. Man, so nice. Bitcoin's ascending broadening wedge played out too, but it was not as high as Litecoin's. So we hit the first target. Remember that your targets are always, when you break out of your ascending broadening wedges bearishly, your target's always going to be the bottom of the pattern, which was at this point 2630, right? Then you get your secondary target when you fib from your low to high, and you see your 1272. That's your next target. So the primary and secondary target would be hit, was hit, the situation. Since then, you're just not able to really do anything. You're below the 1272 now. You're bouncing along this horizontal line support at 23 bucks, doing nothing, right? You're below the 2050 and 200 MA. It seems like you're just asking to break down again. Low demand, low volume. It just seems like this is the price action where you normally just dump again, and volume just starts picking up, and you sell off to your next at 22.32. Then you go down to 20 bucks, right? That just seems like the next move for Litecoin, probably. All right. Whew. How's it been? Elon's voice is hella loud. Hella loud. Hold on, let me. I can turn it down real quick. I got this, dude. I got this. It's halfway. Let's try it like this. Hey, Johnny, let me know now. Johnny.
Is that a joint?
That's better, right? It's probably a lot better, right? Give me feedback. Oh, Robin, I thought you were only offering it if it was our honeymoon, okay? So now you're changing it up. You're saying, hey, we can go anytime we want, man. Thanks, dude. Okay. So do you buy one Bitcoin now? Mark Potter, though there is some bullish stuff going on, it might be a better idea just to hang tight. Not financial advice, but it might be a good idea to just hold on, just to wait. This market is very bearish, and there is reason to believe we could sell off again. One or two more times. What did I say on Litecoin, Vincent? What did I say? Like right now? Like, no, not right now, dude. So it's gonna be okay, man. Supposed to look at light sneeze. Dude, I can't, man. I can't see. I don't have lights anymore, dude. They're all covered. Like, it used to be where I had all kinds of lights. They're all covered up, man. Okay, I'm looking at lights all the time, I guess, technically, with these monitors, right? Screwed, man. Screwed. It could happen, James. Though. Yes, 3,000 would not be surprising. Yes. Matt Shepard loves Rob's cabin. Yeah, I think it's just, you know.
I was trying not to scare her by using that word. But yes, you can go anytime you want.
Thanks, Robin, man. Dude, your cabin is phenomenal. And it's even more awesome with the lights, Christmas lights.
Is that a joint?
It's better, right?
Bite seems to be surviving. Beanie Baby Bags, you know mine.
Come on! Greg Morgan, thanks for Is That a Joint contribution? That is mine. G-Byte. G-Byte. That's actually a thing. G-Byte. Wow. Isn't that bytes? Yeah, it's breaking the upside now. Wow, man, wow. Holy crap, dude. I don't even know, man. I'm gonna look at this. We haven't looked at G-Bytes. You're the first person to ask about G-Bytes in like a year. At least, dude, we haven't looked at... I don't think we've seen G-Bytes since May. I've not even stepped foot into this chart since May, man. All right. But let's see here. I'm definitely gonna do the daily on G-Bytes. Holy crap, dude. Alright, almost done. Got you, man. I got you, dude. Dang, man. Doesn't even really line up, but you can look at it if you want. This is all I can get from this. This, dude, G-Bytes. No wonder no one asks about it, dude. It's like dead. It's like, well, no one even cares about this thing anymore. Oh, G-Bytes, man. Look at that dump, dude. Yeah, let's chart that. But here you go, man. We're looking at the daily, too. All right, so you got anchor point 1 up here, anchor point 2, 3, 4. All right. Just to see kind of what's going on. We're kind of breaking it, right? Dude, come on. It's just... You might have broken it. You've broken it, yeah, but like... with that death cross back in March, just like Bitcoin. Lower high, broke down, lower high, broke down. Maybe we're going to make a lower high. We can just fib it pretty simply. Zoomed in. High to low. G-Byte, 50% retrace on the daily. Very little volume. And, well, the breakout's nice. But you are pulling a bearish Harami right now, and you've hit your common retrace, your most common retrace after an impulse down. You retrace the upside. So I don't know, man. Don't see any kind of real pattern development here. So we just shifted our Momo, broke the upside. All right, positive momentum is building, kind of falling off now. Got overbought. When we hit that 50% retrace at 74 on daily, there's your G-Bytes, man. Okay. So whatever, yeah, though, for real, but for real, you are somehow, some way breaking this down slapping resistance. Talking about August of 2017, anchor point 1, February of 2018, anchor point 2, anchor point 3 from December of 2017. You're actually breaking out of that right now. Weird enough. Weird. Thanks to the 420 Greg, man. Much love. Madman! Boom!
Gotta work early. Love you all. Good night.
Alright, Mateo, man. Thanks for the 10, 12 of Bitcoins. Okay, thanks so much, man. Much freaking love. Fantastic. Thank you. Man. Alright. I think we missed this, but it's time for You're a Local on the 8s. Or something. Okay. That was fun. Destroying the jar. Alright, so we had a 60-minute close like 8 minutes ago or something like that, 7 minutes ago, but it's kind of going sideways, right? Yeah. You did not bearishly engulf. You're just kind of floating along, making lower highs in your previous highs, previous high, right? Just keep on making the scrubby price action stuff. You do gotta at least admire the higher low you're seeing from December 7th, the higher low you're seeing now than before, right? That's a good thing. The Morning Star, good thing. Bullish divergence on the 4-hour and daily, good things. Just don't know. Just don't know when this break to the upside is going to begin. Okay, not sure. Because we did break out of that channel. Ooh, Robin. Tell Princess Red to look at those. Muffled a bit, Zachary. Muffled. Bet Moonboy come in. Episode 250 tomorrow. Maybe I should just take off the day stream and just do it for a night show. And maybe I should just be Vet Moonboy or something tomorrow night for 250. I think we're out of the really light bits, Mr. Shaverman. So I think Mateo just knocked them all out. Thanks for the 100 bits, man. Much love, dude. Much love. Wait, did my lights just work or not work? I might have broke it. Connor, I understand you see a lot of people calling for a dead cat bounce on Bitcoin to 4,800. See a sell-off around 1,200 later next year. Do you see bullish? Yeah, we see bullish divergence, man. A 4-hour, you're now getting it somewhat Class B-ish. The daily, it's very real. Look at your daily divergence, man. Okay, look. Connor, low on price. Well, really, it's like low on price, lower low on price, lower low on price, lower low on price. Every single time, higher levels of relative strength. Every single time. All right, MACD, low on price, lower low on price. Almost inexistent negative momentum on your lower low. That is extreme Class A bullish divergence on the daily time scale. That's it, man. That's it. Damn, I'll turn my fan on. It's getting stuffy in here. All right, man. Finish it up. Finish it up, man. I've been infatuated with the beer. Well, I should have been infatuated with the coffee. All right. Sorry, y'all. Been live for like an hour and 1 minute now. Okay. Do I expect less correlation in the main coins now that we are returning to prices where they were not correlated on the way up? Dude, that's tough to say, man. Very, very tough to answer. XRP Roshi, man. I don't know, man. Their Bitcoin price might suffer more, even more than it is now. But U.S. dollar price, they'd probably all shoot up with Bitcoin. They'd probably all go up with Bitcoin if it went up. The hot tub next to the fireplace on the deck is to die for. What? There's a brewery and winery down the street? Holy crap, Robin. Are you tempting me? Are you literally tempting us to go an IRL stream from your cabin, man? No wonder no one ever asks about this. It's like dead. Yeah, it is, man. Did you see it? Just like straight line, man. Frog. Bullfrog, Sir Newton. Bear frog. Bear pole, bear frog, Sir Newton. Okay. So what you're asking about? Sure thing, Greg Matt. Did I just read that? What is a bearish Rami? You are a bullish and bearish Rami. But a harami. Very simple. It's when you have a candle, like a red candle, whatever, and then your next candle body closes within the previous one. So this is a bullish harami. This is also a bullish harami, believe it or not. Bullish harami, bearish engulfing. Bullish harami, bearish harami. Even though you even had a bullish harami, right? It's just what it is, man. Sometimes it doesn't. Not always going to be reliable. You don't ever want to get into a candle pattern by itself. You want to make sure you have stupid amounts of coinciding variables with your candle patterns, right? Learn them well. Cool explosion. It was cool explosion, man. So Crypto Tiger, man. Good to see you. Man. You should have been out of Ethereum a long time ago, dude. But I think that Ethereum is showing daily bullish divergence, just like Bitcoin. And when you show daily bullish divergence, that all that means is very soon there's a reason to believe we could break to the upside. Now, how high we go, unknown, and that's why we fib when we find that swing low for real. But chances are, when we break to the upside, it's probably just going to be a lower high than our previous highs, and we're going to dump again. Okay. Thanks, Matt Shepard, man. Beer, you, Matt Shepard? I'm out of beer, man. Well, I have a beer.
A live stream from the cabin would be epic. When do you want me to book you in? Fact. TA from cabins is more accurate.
You left out the ampersand. Ampersand, right? On the TA. Robin, you know what I'm talking about? Brrr. Thanks for the 333 repeating, of course. Thank you, dude. You have to look into it, man. I have to look into it. We have not gone away together before. It's a long distance thing. So I don't know, man. I don't know. We're still, I guess we're still in the courtship phase. You want to call it that? But whatever, man. I don't know. Maybe not. I don't know. What's up, King Kenny? Uncle Harami? That's it, Greg Morgan, man. That's it. Mr. Shepard. Hey, my CPU did well that time. Nice. Thanks, dude. We capitulated. No one gives a rat's butt. People joke about being wrecked and being in disbelief about dead cat bounces, but need volume. And you'll get it eventually, Stuart. It'll just come out of nowhere, man. It'll be like, what? But normally when the big what happened, remember March? Remember the inverse head and shoulder stuff? Both those times we did have reason to believe we could be bouncing to the upside. Now, that one time on Bitcoin, man. Quintuple MACD bullish divergence. That was the one that was driving me mad, dude. Like every day. Every day. I just like... People just kept telling me we were screwed. It was over. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Quintuple MACD, bullish divergence. I'm like, dude, I'm telling you, man. I'm freaking telling you. I will believe in the TA. We have documentation, video evidence of that. I believe in TA. I will not abandon the TA. And then we finally got that huge daily bullish engulfing candle, ran up, hit a 236 retrace. Thanks for the bitty bits, man. Broke down, 50% retrace, and then boom, the inverse head and shoulders developed. Kangs, and then the broadening top, measure move, and then that was literally it. And then sold off. There was no divergence at the end, bearish divergence to get us here, but whatever, dude. That was one. This other one here too, man. You just had the bullish divergence. Look, low on price, low on price, lowest low on price. Bullish engulfing candle on the daily. Largest short squeeze in the history of Bitcoin. Kings. Ran up 62% of the way from your previous swing high. Wonderful, man. Anyway, look at here, man. Look at here. Low on price. Lower low on price. Very, very, very slight, but visible. Visible, man. Alright, so bullish emerge. Hey, Michelle, man, there's a 21 biddies, man. You poisoned for the explosion, dude. Let's see it, dude. Thanks, man. You're gonna court me so hard, Kappa. Once you leave, that'd be prudent. Okay. That would be prudent. What's up, Logo Dinosaur, man? How are the dinosaurs out in Dinosaur World in Mississippi, dude? The most preserved dinosaur. Yes, exactly. Huh. MK says the NASDAQ had a death cross on the daily in November 2018. That was just last month, man. The last time the NASDAQ had a death cross where the 50 MA crossed the 200 MA was in December of 2015 and bottomed in February of 2016. So we could be in a similar one-year downtrend. Well, MK, man, you said we had the death cross in December 2015, bottomed. That's just 2 months, right? MK, man. Win truck, win cardboard box. Yeah, 2 months. I'm thinking like end of February. Late February, right? Mid-February, something. Anyway. So that's like what we're looking at. We're finding some of that divergence, okay? We're finding it. We're finding it. We've seen it before. Got some good stuff here. But we could, again, sell off. And no matter what we do, right? We go to 3,000. Eventually we'll end up forming this. Guess what, man? Guess what? That's still going to be bullish divergence, okay? So we could dump more. And it wouldn't be that weird. It wouldn't be that surprising. All right. It's Bitcoin. It's just Bitcoin. In a downtrend. Hit the bottom of the channel again. Peruvian artifact suggests human habitation with dinosaurs. GTMKV, what were they doing, man? Was it like the Flintstones, man? Rag attack. What's the point, man? What point buck is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 12 points, 10 points. What is it, man? So Bobby Fischer. Well, 1 hour diamonds are gonna be bleh. Here's your 60 minutes. Yeah. And the larger the pattern, more reliable it is. I don't know, man, because you don't have an anchor point on this side, right? You can't really call, that's not really a swing high, right? Because if, look, you got to have a swing high here and break down. I get what you're saying. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and, that's not 2 though. 1 and 2, but not 1 and 2 on this side. I don't think that's happening yet. Okay. I get what you're saying though, man. You really want to have a nice real swing high, then you break down. We didn't get that. We broke the upside and we just went sideways and it running up again. So it's not really that swing out we're looking for. Here it comes, man. Here it comes. Explosions, man. Humans didn't live with dinosaurs. The dinosaurs raised them like cattle to eat. You raised them, man. Oh, we're pumping, man. Oh my God, is this a bull run? 10? 10 what, dude? What's 60 minute and 10? Y'all are both saying things confusing me, okay? Sure thing, Bobby, man. Sure thing, dude. Much love, dude. But 60 minutes is showing the divergence, the bullish divergence. But again, I think we got it. Not really get anything else. Okay, so. But look, if you clearly see that there's some sort of channel downside resistance broken, right? Then if you do that, even though right here you're breaking it, right? Then if you adjust, and you're not. Actually, you are. You still are. Anyway, dude, it's just 60-minute Rudy Poo. Rudy Poo, man. Hey, bullishly engulfing the morning star. The bullish engulfing. We want to be kings, but will we be kings? That's the question. 33.59. Holy crap! My eyes kind of hurting. Context. Matt Shaver, you say anyone. Why are you saying anyone? Why not any two? Okay, man. Oh, Bitcoin pumping. Hey, will our numbers increase, man? Are we gonna get more viewers because Bitcoin's moved $10? $10. Let's go, baby. Let's go. We're still outside of the channel. We're still out. All right. But you gotta like the bullish divergence on multiple time scales. That's it, dude. Okay. Oh, man. Hold on a second. I'm getting I think I'm just gonna get a beer, okay? Because who cares, right? And I'm gonna angle my camera up just a little bit for reasons. All right, hold on a second. Hold on a second. I returned. Sorry. How high is this bullish divergence going, James L, man? We don't know yet. We don't know if it's gonna play out yet. We don't know, man. There's no real like pattern behind the divergence on the time scales. They're just not there, right? Gosh dang it, man, music. Okay, but one more viewers. I need to do some interviews. Normally what I just all have to do, Studio Ka, is just all we have to do is get the price to go up. When that price starts moving up or down fast, that's when the viewers come in. Normally they won't, right? Because really I'm like useful for technical analysis, right? The charts, right? So when nothing's going on the charts, whatever. I mean, but we do education, like we do random, sporadic education, especially when people ask questions and all that, man. Like yesterday, crazy fibs, education, EDU. And now I'm just, you know, trying to take a load off and relax. Because, again, the past couple of days have been pretty tough on me. Alright, so. Boom, Miss Shabber, man, boom. Thank you for the 100 bits, man. Wasn't there divergence around the third? Yeah, third, and then we got it, right? This is all you got. This one green candle popped to the upside before reversing and dumping again. Yeah, you did get it. But you didn't get daily divergence. You did not get daily divergence, Mr. Pater. Mr. Pater. Not at all. On the third here, nothing. But this is the difference. The difference here, low on price, lower low on price, higher levels of relative strength, almost inexistent levels of negative momentum, man. Okay? So there is a difference between then and now. So who knew? Not so much, Devin. Engulfing candles. Yeah. Easy. Look, I mean, look, man. Whenever here you go. Bearish engulfing candle, right? Run up. Green indecision candle. You bearishly engulfed, right? This red candle engulfed. It, from the high to low, we covered the previous candle, right? Engulfed it. Broke down. Bullish Rami. Bearish Rami. Broke down again. Bullish Rami. Bearish engulfing candle. Big red candle. Bullish Harami. Green candle. Bearish Harami. You broke down. That's it. Okay. So they're not the same every time, but sometimes they just don't work, right? The best time to play these are when you get all kinds of coinciding variables, patterns, everything saying bullish. When you get those, when you get all the coinciding variables and you have the bullish candle reversal pattern, those are the best, right? Not just random ones with no other variables behind them. Yeah, well, Stuart, if you didn't know, that guy is a crazy psycho. Stuart, that guy's nuts. Okay. He's a pretty much dead streamer or dead YouTuber. Okay. Who tried to entice me, tried to get me to do some crazy crypto scam. And he found out it later was a scam, and I just ghosted him. Okay. Stuart, man. That guy's nuts. So you're saying there's a chance, Mark Potter? Yeah, big chance. Well, again, you could break down even more here and get nice, really nice, more bullish divergence, right? What's up, M. Lily, man? Sure thing, Devin, man. Sure thing. Stuart, something I've learned about the internet, man. A lot of crazy people that like target me, right? I can do a bearish TA again for the year 2019. Yes, who knew? Yes. I can't freaking wait, man. I can't wait. Yeah, that's what happened to him, dude. All right. We'll see who knew. We'll see. It's been an eventful year. Yeah, to say the least, man. To say the least. Good God. I'm just happy where I am now. Like, good God. Dodged so many crazy bullets, dude. With all the craziness, man. Been live 1 hour and 22 minutes. Be sure to hit that like button, that bell, that sub if you want to see this channel grow. Music's loud. Very loud. It's okay right there. Yeah, Stuart, man. Nils, his opinion is he thinks we're going to go up very soon, and he's going to see that all the shorters are going to get wrecked. We're breaking out. Yeah, he had unfounded basis. He had an unfounded basis. The guy was a freaking nut job. I think he was really jealous that he'd probably been a YouTuber much longer and didn't know how to really make money doing YouTube. And like, obviously, like, y'all know, like, I make a, like, look where I am, look what we're doing, man. Like, we're doing it, and it's great, it's fun. Like, he can't do that, so he hates. People hate when they see, when people are focused on others and not themselves, it's very easy to hate and be jealous and mad and envious, and you want to covet things so bad. But when you just focus on yourself, and you don't worry about other people, when you have that temptation to actually care about what other people are doing, how well they're doing, how they're doing it, then it really starts distracting you from focusing on yourself. So it's really important to just forget about other people and what they do and how they do it, and focus on yourself and how you do things, right? Even when I started, man, you do this. You put the blinders on and you just focus. But yeah, tunnel vision. You don't care about these people, man, all these other people. I don't care about what they're doing. I care about what I'm doing with my channel, helping other people that watch me, right? And I don't think that Russell Scott guy had any value in what he did, and he couldn't make money doing it, so he was jealous, very jealous and envious. Hated seeing success happen. He hated it, man. Because he thought he was entitled to success, man. There you go, Fergus. There you go, man. Crypto Kiwi, sure, man. Bridging the Sahara, let's go, man. Hook me up, dude. Hook me up. I mean, I don't know. I mean, sand gets pretty hot, so I'm walking through the desert, Crypto Kiwi, man. Probably going to be less hot on the wood or possible composite, depending on what kind of bridge you're trying to sell, than actually walking on the hot sand. Okay. And I could probably walk under the bridge and get shade, Crypto Kiwi. So, let's talk, man. Let's talk. What's up, Extreme Bow Hunter? Covet thy channel, Malaysia. Some of his videos were nuts. He had a video about an island in the South Pacific where giants 20 feet tall lived, and exactly, dude's not all right. We've met plenty of the people that they're just a few things off, right? We've met them on our journey of Game of Coins. Hey man, they're just whatever. At this point, they're just content for us, okay, in our community. Haha, look at that. Look at that crazy person. Look at that crazy person. Oh my god, look at all the crazy people. We get to watch it, and you get to watch it from the comfort of your own home. I get to live with the targets on my back of those crazy people, so. Okay. You want some OMG? Let's get some OMG, man. There's a shower, man. All right. All right, so zoomed in, we'll zoom out. But here's the daily. Just another downsloping scrub channel. Right, Mr. Shepherdman. Swing low to high. If we were in the 4 hour, we look at our short-term fibs. Fib extension, we hit that 1272 and then bullishly engulfed. Here it comes, man. Here it comes. Oh, you knocked out one of the Bitcoins, man. You knocked one out. Can't believe you did. So, though we got a bullish engulfing candle, meh, right? That was like 5 days ago, 6 days ago. Not really doing anything. Okay, didn't have any divergence. Oh, you had some RSI divergence, right? There you go, man. Bullish divergence, 1, 2, popped. And look, man, remember, you're so bearish that you can't even break the 20 MA. 20-day, that's so bad. Where's the 200-day moving average? Oh, here's the 200-day moving average, man. 754 sats away. This is so bearish, man. Where are we? We're literally in outer space, Mr. Schaffer, man. Big dumpster fire. OMG. A month ago, man, but you just don't get it, dude. You don't get it, man. Get rid of these freaking fibs, man. Okay. Just another one of those dumpster fires for now. Okay. Who cares? You had a nice run up. Congratulations. Congrats, man. You covet, Mr. Magoo, man. Covet. That's right, Todd. Worry about thyself. Short-term bullish on Bitcoin. Geo. It's like we've got reason to believe we could be bullish because we're making that slightly higher low. Almost bullish divergence, but it's pretty much bullish convergence. Daily showing bullish divergence. So we could, but dude, the market's so bearish.
Crypto Kai of the RSI Live TA with Mitre. Live from the Gump Studios in Greenbow, Alabama. Could you please check Mayos? Thanks, Sensei.
Mayos? Mayos? Is that like mayonnaise? Alright, let's go to Mayos. Here, Peter North likes mayonnaise. Mayos. Thanks, dude. Oh my god. Why are you doing this to me, man? I thought we were friends, George Harrison, man. I thought we were friends. He's just trying to trigger me. We're up 55.96% today. Well, man, if you get in on this, man, you were kings. But if you couldn't, I don't know what to tell you, dude. We got as high as $2, $1.99. Of course, you crapped out at $1.99 and didn't hit $2. Of course, Billy, man. Thanks, DJ Joe Public, man. Much love. Dude is nuts. Haters are a measure of success sometimes. Yeah, when you definitely use them as a metric, you analyze the people that are haters. Those are normally the ones I've learned that hate me are like a lot are kind of mentally unstable. Like they're like legit like out there like whoa. Like I'm like a normal, very normal person, and my agenda is literally helping people. Like from the episode 1 of Crypto and Chill, we went back on it. You can see like what I said almost in the first 5 minutes, right? And nothing's changed since then. Helping people to not get wrecked. That's it. Thanks, Zitzers, man. What's up, Earth y'all? The Jesus lady, the tree Jesus lady. Bradford says crypto lives in some of the deep dark corners of the internet where people shouldn't venture. Bound to cross paths with a few crazies from time to time. Yeah, not even kidding, dude. Of course, Nils. Of course, yeah. Wrecking the shorts would be fantastic, but you know, there's reason to believe we could still move down based on looking left. Like with Ethereum, dude, $55 seems so likely. So likely, man. Sorry, just writing these down. Don't want to forget to log them. Dude, y'all need to hear. Y'all need to say something. All right. So, y'all know like what is it? Paper. It's like a ream. You go through like a ream of paper. I'm on my last. I'm on the last of my reams of paper, dude. This is it, dude. This is it, and I will be through an entire ream. When I started in like February, March on this ream, I'm almost done. And we're talking like every day. I'll do like, you know, I guess it's like as many as I can. I'll fit on, like, for instance, I've got like from the 4th of December to the 10th of December, I've got one piece of paper, right? Doing that for like months and months and months. I'm about to be finally out. That's so many requests written down, dude, on pieces of paper. Earth Yaw is cool and fun. That's a Shabba man with 106 biddies, man. Whew. Yeah, I wanted me to kind of go into, you know, he's like playing devil's advocate, but I don't know. I feel like it kind of went pretty smooth. I never thought anything ill about the guy till he sent me a Twitter message, right?
It is better to fail in originality than to succeed in imitation.
Hey, Johnny Inman. Very true. But we ain't failing, are we? This is our community, man. If I fail, this community fails, and all of y'all are part of the community. So we ain't failing, man. We're succeeding, dude. We're succeeding. Okay. Keeping people grounded. Except on Myos. I can't do things here. Look, we're looking at the dailies, so we're going to try here. George Harrison. George Harris. Okay, we had the 618, the golden ratio. It's over. It's over. Cue the outro music. Okay, man. We did it. Congratulations. It's over. Awesome, man. All right, don't call it scam. I can't do anything here, dude. You can't do anything on the... I don't even know how this not an OTC, the way this looks, dude. Dumpster fire. You want me to? We can try, okay? We can try. We'll just do this, man. We'll do it like this. Oh, we broke out, man. It's a breakout. Does that help? What is this? The one about giants in the South Pacific, or the one where Prescott Bush financed Hitler? He was sanctioned. What? Well, there you go, Stuart H, man. We found a galaxy of dumpster fires. Yes, a little cluster. We call those clusters Verkus games. We found clusters of galaxies of dumpster fires, Verkus. There we go. The 200 MA, man. Anyway, let's just mosey on back to the corn. The corn, baby. Corn on the cob. Alex Cobb would be proud. Here we are. So this is all we got going for now. The bearishness. The bearishness. Below the 20, below the 50, below the 200, 200 MA as of at 45.62. Unreal, man. So far away. The Force, Mr. Shaverman. So what is that? When's the halving? Isn't that in like 2021 or something? What was it? The log Sawang Kang. I'm not saying the other part, Jeff, man. Not gonna make me say it. What did the Bitcoin millionaire do? What's he known for? I've never heard of him till literally right now, Burger Scams. Who is the Bitcoin millionaire? Is that the weird scrub that was showing up on YouTube ads? And he was sitting in his garage with like a nice car. He looked a big nerd, man. He was trying to tell you how you can do what he's doing, man. You can do it too. Okay, Bitcoin millionaire is busy smelling his own farts. Billy, were you impeached, man? Were you impeached? Russell's got interviewed a lot of pro wrestlers. Yeah, maybe so. That's terrible, man. The Triple H wrecked. What's up, Matt Carl? He says, don't focus on the haters. They're just a waste of space and time. There are a lot of people you appreciate. Oh yeah, Matt Carl. Certainly. And that's why those haters would never prevent me from not feeling good enough to go live for you, right? I want to know another person on YouTube, not just crypto, that's gone live for like 10 going on 11 months every single day except one time, except one day, one night. That was it. I want to know. I want to know. Put me against them all. The best. Global warming. Yeah, it's true, man. Global warming. What about climate change? What about it, man? Wind, moon. Yeah, dude. I think it was Bradford. It was right after the 10,000 bit war. Right after that, dude, we started getting all kinds of vitriol and hate from other people. It was actually multiple content creators started like targeting us weirdly after that night, dude. People get triggered, man, by other success. Like, they hate it. Can we get autographed copies of things? Yeah, I'll sign this beer can and send it to you, Crypto Yeti, man. Is that fair? Beard TA? I have not been doing the beard TA lately, man. Sorry. Princess Raleigh says she's still in Alabama. We weren't gonna lie about it, but we weren't gonna say anything if somebody asked about it, but someone actually did ask about it. Robin. Global weirding. Yeah, pretty much. Global weirding. Things that serve, man. And if it's not good enough, oh well, right? When do I predict I'm gonna do my first live stream for the moon? Didn't we? Well, Nicholas, this is pretty good. You know, it's funny you asked that. It's not actually out of this realm of possibility. I might do something. So, like we were talking about. Elephant in the room at this point. Thanks, Robin, man. It's bittersweet. Robin asked about it, but hey, so he said we'd go to his cabin, hang out, right? But we set up her a really nice green screen in one of my rooms, and so like, when will I TA from the moon? I could TA from the moon probably tomorrow if I wanted to, right? So all I have to do is unplug my PC, plug it in to the setup that we created in there, and it would be nuts, man. I got to get a lot of feedback on that, though. I got to get a lot of demand. You're the first person to ever ask me to do TA from the moon. I can TA from anywhere in that room, man. All right, the way it's set up. Sign your can of Keystone, man. Keystone, welcome from much love, Shin regards from Greenbow, Alabama, Mr. Ray. In the next crypto YouTuber wars, dude, no, it's Game of Coins. It's Game of Coins, man. Russell Scott was some weird alien from another planet that came down. We had to destroy him. And then the show went on, right? He was just another part of... He was an antagonist in our overall storyline, you know? Just one of those conquered antagonists. That's it. Nicholas, I don't know if I want a 10 trillion dislikes. If I'm on the moon with a Lambo, I will get downvoted to oblivion, okay? Talking to myself again, Earth y'all. Is this true? JP Morgan weekly bull pole descending broadening wedge. We've seen many ascending broadening wedges. Aren't the Qs also ascending broadening wedge? Oh, descending broadening wedge. Excuse me, all kid. Sure, let's go to JP Morgan. JP Morgan Chase. Okay, just talking about this right here. Shoot, man, it almost looks like a larger right-angled and descending broadening formation, doesn't it? Jeez, man. Okay, look at this crap, dude. If you zoom out, the larger pattern. Crazy, man. Jeez, look at that. Fuckhead, man. Holy crap. Dude, this is super scary. Hey, okay, we filled a gap, man. We had a gap back from, geez, November 2017. We filled it. We actually filled it yesterday, but we also, you know, made sure we filled it today, right? Look at fib. From this clear low, discernible swing low, May 17th. From the low to high. Oh, look at the 50% retrace right there. Oh, $100, go figure, right? We are trying to hold that 50% retrace, right? But you can definitely see, okay, what I'm talking about a little bit, right? Oh, I can't. Please don't let me grab the, come on, man. There we go. Right, dude. So we have a 50% retrace, right angled and descending broadening formation. Alked's talking about this right here, though. I know. Right, man? What you doing, man? What's your touch point? What's your angle? Like this? Yeah, Alked. There you go, man. So, I don't know, man, you're holding on for dear life, are you not, right here? Somehow closed above it today. You do now have some bullish divergence, but again, man, the selling just, it's like confirming the pressure today. Good God. So if we can hold, but if you can't hold that, man, you're coming on down to 96.09. Yeah, and they'll keep you inside that descending broadening wedge, whatever. Yeah, certainly. I got you, dude. I got you, man. Let's see how we were on uptrends, right? See how we have it here? We had a channel, we broke out, we busted up, created a new channel. Huh. It's kind of just like this, right? And then we broke it, right? Okay, man, we broke the channel. Kind of like the Dow Jones, right? Did the same thing. It just was in this nice methodical uptrend, right? Since the crash. And then busted out, and then we've since broken out of that, right? And it's just like, okay, Okay, man. We don't care, man. What's up, multi-browser? Good to see you. Pimp beard hand strong. I don't even know what a beard hand is. Beard hand, wouldn't it be a hairy hand? So, Anthony, man, we love it too, man. Love it too, man. Green screens can be fun. Yeah, I want to get into the art of doing it just for fun sometimes, very rarely. Okay, you kind of treat green screen nights like Viking nights or Wizard nights like it's very, very rare. Because I love the home office vibe, right? I love it. TA from Greenbow. I could literally be, Tom, we're standing here in Greenbow, Alabama. I'd get Shaylin to make some stupid, goofy, like, Greenbow stuff. I don't know. We could... Possibilities are limitless. Anthony, that brings a warm feeling to my heart. Okay. Oh, we're gonna have so much fun. Now, I think she's having fun with it. Green screen with a dumpster fire, not the moon with a Honda Civic or cardboard box. All right. Dark side of the moon, TA. Boom. Death Cross. Oh yeah, it's coming, man. It just happened. It happened. Yeah, early November. Yeah, Death Cross. Certainly. Okay, it's certainly not. Yeah, dude. I mean, like, I don't know how all this would hold up, right? All you got is that. That's it. You even had... Oh, you had Class C, dude. Class C bullish divergence. Congratulations. That's stagnation and momentum. Win you go. Win Greg Captain Morgan. March 19th. Go to that weekly you're talking about. Yeah, plenty of room to fall, man. 618-9609. Yeah. Looks very possible. Okay. Oops. Oh my god, we could I could literally have a pulsating pulsar behind me, Miss Cantembo, dude. How nuts would that be? What's up, Sean Kaiser, coming in from Montgomery? I know you're probably a Auburn fan, but roll tide. Sorry, dude. Such a tease, Jeff, man. Man, those gaps fill like that, dude. Those got a high chance of filling. Oh yeah. Pink Floyd music would certainly probably get us destroyed. I don't know though. I don't know. It's so late, you know, so far back. We might be okay. We might be okay. Just don't know, man. The Christmas tree with the presents, man. Yeah, dude, they're a little crypto presents, man. They should be just little pieces of coal, shouldn't they? Because crypto's been naughty this year. Really naughty. Not nice. Holy crap, man. Alright, just been hanging out. We got been live almost 2 hours now. Thank y'all so much for being here and hanging out. We're just looking at things. Jeff Grout filled his own gap. It is true. Legend has it. But yeah, they actually did an interview on Russell Scott's show about Jeff's gap getting filled. Ew. Hey, look, we barely engulfed the red candle. We're so good. Thanks for the 8 biddies, man. Thanks, man. Right, here we are doing literally nothing since the stream began. We've moved about no dollars. All right. What's up, B-Slice, man? Yeah, but it's all about the record label company, DJ man, right? So like, if it's copyright, who cares? But if it's copyright by particular record labels, they'll take the video down, right? I don't care about monetization for my videos, but I do care about the videos being able to stay up and be watched by other people, right? That's what I do care about. So it just depends. What's the best? Eat Roll Tide, man. Roll Tide. It's okay. Roll Tide is not banned. There's not a banned word in this chat, okay? Not banned. So you can still say it normal, and we'll be kings. Can't remember a day when After Hour and pre-market pumped the major indices, and then they said nope. Jeffman. Hey, look, there's a llama on Twitch, man. Did we make any progress on city discounts, man? Is he still ghosting you in Star Wars World? Star Wars World 6 months ago asked about finding him, and I noticed, you sent me that screenshot of you trying to find him too, man. We need you, city discounts, Minnesota, man. This is the major labels that will block you. Yeah, but Pink Floyd, did they have the major labels? It seems like they probably would, right? We used, okay, when the first dumpening happened on the 14th, we used one song by major record label. One. You know what it was? When the Levee Breaks by Led Zeppelin. Insta-blocked as soon as we went off stream. Got taken down. So if Led Zeppelin gets us wrecked, Pink Floyd probably does too. Right. $10 make you holla. Greg Morgan. That's right, man. Anyway, so positive momentum, meh, doing nothing. Volume, meh, doing absolutely just terrible volume, man, terrible. You know what you did on the daily? What's so interesting? You actually made a lower candle. You made the lowest candle body close, 52-week candle body low close. Wow, I didn't even notice that until right now. Y'all notice that? Hello? I'm gonna zoom in, man. Do you see this, dude? Do you see it? That's not how it works. Why is it doing that? All right, there we go. We had to get the. It doesn't work right. We're gonna do it one time. That is the lowest close of the year. 33.49. Thank you very much. City discount, Minnesota at 118. You just pinged him. Can you hear us? We will summon him, dude. We will summon him soon, man. All right, we will summon him. So look out, man. Look out. The divergence is real. The sell-off low, lower low, lowest low. Higher lows are real to strength than this low and this low. Holy crap. Holy crap. Jeez, man. Jeez. City discounts went out of business from all the advertising expenses, dude. I thought that Seth just bought him out. All right, man. Eventually. All right, so do we get? Holy crap, man! 168 likes. Y'all are amazing. That's just all world. Are you? Am I saying inverse gain? Kind of, but not really. I mean, 52-week lows, yes, but. Your in your webs just died. Are you a spider? Zedzers, man. You need to get out of your in your webs if they broke, okay, or if they died. On the phone. All right. Me too then. This makes me sad. My sister sent me a picture of my grandma and me. Back from her wedding or whatever. You want to see me without hair when I was younger? Or out without a beard? And my grandma, right? I don't know if you'll get a good shot of that. That's me. So, that's my grandma and me who passed away yesterday. Alright, so. Man. Miss her, man. A lot of good memories, dude, right? You get all those memories, you think about them, and they're just much more vivid now. Okay. So Bitcoin 33.46. Oh my God. Is this a bull run? No. Hour 51 minutes left for our candle. That's it. How are those higher lows? On the 4 hour, they're higher lows. 4 hour higher lows. Daily lower lows. Lower lows. You're sending support from Auburn. Don't do it, Nicholas Probotman, or Australia. Do it then. Where is Seth from? He is from many areas. Could be Yeti. Alright. Don't feel like doxing him, so I won't talk about the many areas. No beard, DJ. Thanks, Zedzers, man. So I get, it's like it. Thank y'all. Thanks, Stuart. Between city discounts and Seth, what about it? Thanks, Sunu. What's up? Oh yeah, certainly did. Certainly. Climbing those walnut trees, man. Down Andalusia, Alabama, which is very similar to Greenville, Alabama, I'm sure. Hot summer days, man. Spending a week down there. Not too much to do, but use your imagination, right? That's right, Mike. Alright, as you can see, we're just selling off, right? Got as high as 35.60. We're down $20. We're screwed now, dude. We're screwed now, man. Ah. That's right, taking tenor, man. That's right, too. Thanks, peace love, man. Alright, peace love, man. Much love. Alright, so alright, we'll see how this all plays out, man. We'll wake up and maybe a big move the upside down, so that's gonna happen. But this kind of failure keeps going on the way it is, man. You could very well see yourself again down at 32.39. Alright. Very well could. Okay. So thank y'all for sticking around. Been live 2 hours 3 minutes now, so we'll just go ahead and play the chunks. Look on the 8s, but not really, right? Yeah, Larry, it'll be a fun one, man. It'll be a good one, real good one. The Heisman battle, like the one who maybe should have gotten it based on circumstances, and the one who got it. I'm sure it will only fuel Bama to want to win that game even more, right? Yep, 31 something on kid, right? Weekly, we'll end on that. Your weekly is currently sitting at 31.88, 31.90, 31.89, whatever. Right there. We have not done that. We got very, very close though, did we not? Like $30 off. Okay, man. $30. Alright. 200 week moving average. Good God. For a little bit. Yeah, a little bit. Remember, it's a higher low, slightly higher low, so it's almost like bullish convergence. But it's almost class B bullish divergence. That's about it, yeah. Moon soon. Whew. Alright. We're just going to change up the pace a little bit while I get out of here, okay? Some of the regular viewers will remember this. Played it all the time. When the times were just much sadder, man. Thank you, B-Size, man. For the party lights. Y'all hold on strong. We'll be back tomorrow. Thank you so much for the contributions, love, support. Y'all are all amazing. Get me through this crap. But the biggest thing is, we'll get through it together. So until next time, respect the T.A. Thanks, Yeti Man. 3, 2, 1. Love you, dude.
Sleep well, everyone.